Karl Pavlovich Bryullov, also Briuloff or Briullov, born Charles Bruleau, was born December 23, 1799, died 23 Jule 1852, was a Russian painter. He is regarded as a key figure in transition from the Russian neoclassicism to Romanticism. Briulloff's work is the pinnacle of late Russian Romanticism, when the sense of harmonic wholeness and beauty of the world is replaced by a feeling of tragedy and conflict of life, in the forefront of the historical picture, but its main theme, not the struggle of heroes, as in classicism, and the fate of the huge human masses. In his central work The Last Day of Pompeii, Briullov combined the drama of action, romantic lighting effects and sculptural plasticity of figures. The painting brought the artist great fame both in Russia and in Europe. An outstanding master of both ceremonial and chamber portraits, Briullov evolved in his art from the joyful embrace of life in his early works to the intricate psychologism of his later ones, thus anticipating the achievements of such artists like Ilya Repin in the second half of the 19th century. Briullov had an enormous influence on Russian artists, among whom he had many followers and imitators.